Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a balanced amp foundation with modest gain levels. Set gain around 6 to 7 and keep master volume low for testing. Set bass to 4, mid to 6, treble to 6, and presence to 5 for clarity. Use the bridge pickup for tighter, more aggressive tone and neck pickup for warmer sustain. Adjust channel voicing or switch to the lead channel if you need more edge and harmonic richness. Introduce a mild overdrive to push the amp without losing definition. Set the pedal gain between 3 and 5 and set level to unity for a clean boost. Keep your guitar volume knob around 8 to 9 for single note clarity and natural dynamics. Use palm muting near the bridge to tighten low end and enhance rhythm precision. Vary pick attack to shape attack and sustain while maintaining note separation for classic rock tone. Finish by adding space and thickness without washing out the tone. Use a short plate or small room reverb at roughly 10 to 20% wet for natural depth. Add a subtle delay set between 300 and 450 milliseconds with a low mix to thicken chords and solos. For solos, engage a 3-band boost centered around 1000 Hz to increase cut. Finally, listen in the room and make small EQ moves to suit speakers and space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.